Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a really nice tractor here. This is a 2013 Mahindra 3616 shuttle shift tractor. Compact tractor with loader. Has the 115 loader in the 3720 backhoe attachment, subframe mount. Pay attention, this tractor has 69 hours on it. It's brand new. Purchased last year. It has full remaining warranty for 4 more years. I will have that all in the description and breakdown. Skid steer quick attach, shuttle shift transmission, completely loaded up. Man paid $29,000 for this tractor new. Heck of a tractor. The reason he's traded it, wanted a cab tractor. As new as you're going to get, other than to go down to Mahindra and buy one yourself. Mahindra is the #1 selling compact tractor in the United States currently. We're going to go ahead and give you a quick 360-degree view, walk you around this tractor. We're going to start it, run it, and show you everything works. We'll start you right underneath the engine compartment here. You have a very simple hood release right here. You pull, opens up, 3-cylinder Mitsubishi diesel, starts and runs excellent. No normal noises, smoke, blow by. Keep in mind, 69-hour tractor here, fellas, 2013. The only way to buy it any newer is to go downtown and buy it yourself from the dealer. Again, tractor is under warranty for 4 remaining years. We have called Mahindra, did all the research on that. We have all books and manuals. Comes with a good heavy-duty bucket here, fellas. Skid steer mount, standard quick attach, so you can interface with forks and all kinds of different attachments, such as bale spears and whatnot. Has a quick dismount 115 loader, which is easy on and off. It's unbelievable how heavy their loader frames are. Really a well-built tractor. Power steering, 4-wheel drive. Up here you're going to have your shuttle shift transmission with left-hand forward reverser. We'll have high and low range, PTO. I have all the 3-point hitch arms and drawbar, which you can see. Joystick loader control. Here on the backhoe you'll see the 3720 Mahindra backhoe with the curvatured arm. Really nice setup here, joystick control. Has the flip over pads. Just a super nice backhoe here. TLB. We're going to go ahead and fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around for you. We'll turn all the lights on and just put it through its paces. Sorry for the rain in here today. Just trying to get some video done. Again, it does have a tilt wheel also. fellas, if you're looking for a brand new compact tractor loader, backhoe, whole setup here ready to go with 4 years remaining warranty. Unbelievable little tractor here, really set up and equipped nice. Backhoe is super smooth, and I wanted to add, you can easily add the thumb. It already has the mounting on there, the boom for the thumb. 540 PTO, 3-point hitch, 69 hours, 4 years warranty. Just right and ready to go, fellas. You got any question, you want to come by and see it yourself in person, come run it. I have nothing to hide. 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy eBaying.